And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Vivere, Eroria, Sarah, Arithmetic, Love Stories, Darori, Insara, they swing for home. We have Vivere by Lenka. About to throw the challenge, Shori outside of this Love Story. Vivere, Love Story, Shori outside, but it's still Vivere, followed by Love Story, Ori outside. Vivere, Love Story, and finally Love Story. Vivere, then comes Arithmetic, has magic.
Star leading by line, Lady Kugat, Pumato, on the outside, running by the Tigers from Bar Steel, Halo Star, Lady Kugat, on the outside, and Pumato now. Halo Star hanging on with a half length lead. Here comes Pumato, on the outside, and finally Pumato, Halo Star, Lady Kugat, Aling Nayan, Tigers song, Magical Street.
As they swing for home, we have show time, Lady, by about 2 lengths now. Eroria is then Gary Kaibigan is Dalori inside. We're about 100 meters of the race. Showtime, Lady, and Gary moving up the Eroria outside to take the lead. It's now Ngeri, and finally it's Ngeri. Showtime, Lady Kaibigan, Color My World, Sound Value, and Blue Steel.
Lightning through this life we never know.
As was the final third, kudos by the Alenka. 5 Queens and Aska sitting between horses. It's now 5 Queens in the leader, followed by Hatka Sipa. And around the outside now is Best Kept Secret. Now moves up together with Action Sailor on the outside, and finally close. But I think Best Kept Secret got there over Action Sailor, then followed by Hatka Sipa.
As they come down to the last 200. Iyakas by about 3 lengths. Bruno in second, then on the outside, Tapulayo. Last 150. And it's still Iyakas by about 4 lengths. Moving up now is Tapulayo, and finally it's Makayakas. Tapulayo, Bruno, Juan Bahamas, then comes Bellissima. Trip for a balance state witness on the outside as they come down to the last 200. We have Boris Gem by about 2 lengths. Yes, why not? State witness caught in the anchor. Last 100 meters, and still Boris Gem by about 4 lengths over state witness. And finally, Boris Gem, state witness, caught in the egg. Yes, why not? Then comes come down to the last 200. My Lady Anna, Mr. Lucas, Virgin Island is on the outside. But it's still My Lady Anna, Virgin Island, Mr. Lucas is running by Bill. Virgin Island, My Lady Anna, Mr. Lucas, and finally Virgin Island. Mr. Lucas, My Lady Anna, Doremi. As take after the last 100. Ascendant is still in front. Sip is already outside. Australian Cat, Iron Ali is already outside. Last 150. Ascendant, Australian Cat is already outside, and Iron Horda. We've got Australian Cat takes the lead. And finally Australian Cat second close. Iron Heart leads through. Then comes Ascendant.
So we're living, working, and waiting for a day. There'll be something to come in to take the pain away. And we were from nothing. It's such a
Second, towards the final turn, it feels sa wakas. Leading by Sam 3 lengths, followed by Market Peter Boldwater on the outside. Prima Perakil Lager Tora Sura. And nearing the finish line, it is still sa wakas. And finally, sa wakas, Boldwater, Lager, Primavera, Tor Azura. All right. Ali now from the outside towards the final turn. Hidalgo is Stingray now from the outside. Hidalgo, Stingray moves up to the outside to grab the leader. It's now Stingray from the outside. Hidalgo, and finally Stingray. Hidalgo, Friendly Fire takes stand, and followed by Diamond Luster. Ali.
what we'll find out. So we're living, working, and waiting for a day. There'll be something to come in to take our
By about 2 lengths, moving up for the outside is Striking Cat, running by the rail. That is Girl with about 150 meters more to run. We have Batang Bukid, followed by Striking Cat on the outside, but it's still Batang Bukid, and finally it's Batang Bukid. Second is Striking Cat, that is Girl. Then comes Iron Chef, number 10, Royal Road.